I want to show you how to make fougasse. So this dough is made with 500 grams of white strong bread flour. I have a baking tin, put a little bit of oil on there, so I'm just going to spread that out with my hands so that it's ready. And then I'm going to cut this into 4 now, and then place each one of these onto the baking trays, leaving plenty of room between each one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stretch it out. I'm just letting gravity do the work and stretching that out. And then I'm going to take a blade of some description. So I'm just using the long edge of my plastic scraper. You could use a metal scraper, your knife, whatever you've got to hand. And I'm going to cut a big hole in the centre. And then just going to cut some smaller holes. And I always like to think of it, you know, a cheese plant which has these leaves with lovely big holes at the side. That's what fougasse reminds me of. So I'm using plastic. It's not going to affect the non-stick of this tray as I'm cutting through. So bear that in mind, your surface that you're cutting on. So that's one done. Now this one, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you that if you're baking these with children, you can make a lovely couple of eyes. Give it a stretch out and make a long cut. And then for Halloween, you can make these scary ghost faces. Okay, so there you are. Get nice and long. Now, just remember, these are going to prove as they go in the oven. So you want to make sure that the holes stay nice and big if you can get them to do that. Here are the fougasse out of the oven. So you can see the lovely ghostly faces. It's perfect for Halloween, and the more traditionally shaped ones that look like cheese plant leaves. So I hope you'll give them a go.